Hello everyone, you're watching TNWS channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Play Store not working or Play Store not downloading applications problem in Xiaomi Redmi 11T or Xiaomi Redmi 11T Pro. So before I start the video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new to this channel. So to fix Redmi 11T or 11T Pro Play Store problem, first of all just tap on settings and now just go to apps and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to fix this problem.